Hello, everybody. So, today I'm going to walk you through how this powerful app, Snip and Stitch, lets you explore CRISPR gene editing in a simple and interactive way. So, this is the home screen of Snip and Stitch. There must be a lot of confusing things right here. So, let's just start by clearing most of these up to show you how this actually works. So, as you can see, the home screen by default is extremely clean and easy to navigate. Everything here was designed to help you simulate gene editing step by step. So what is the first step in simulating gene editing? Well, first, let's pick a genetic disorder from the drop-down menu. We have multiple options here, but let's start with sickle cell anemia. Now, every time you select a genetic disorder, it will populate the mutation and repair text boxes with the information required to successfully simulate a CRISPR gene edit. So, after selecting your genetic disorder, let's load the DNA sequence. Now, when you load a DNA sequence, there are two file types accepted by the application. There are .txt files and .fasta files. So let's just click on all files and choose our .txt file. Now, based on this DNA sequence, the app will check where the mutation is and what repairs are needed. So there it is. Our DNA sequence is now ready for editing. Next, let's run a CRISPR simulation. When I click the Simulate CRISPR button, Snip and Stitch will scan the DNA for the mutation and repair it using the specified template, and will show the corrected sequence right over here. There we go. So this mutation was successfully corrected, and it also shows us a pop-up window with a graph. So Snip and Stitch doesn't just stop at simulation. It can help you visualize your result. When I did click when when I did click on Simulate CRISPR, not only did it fix the mutation, but it opened a new window with a graph of the DNA sequence. So the red dots on the graph represent mutations and the blue dots represent normal DNA. This gives the user an extremely clear picture of where the changes were made. Below the part on the bottom of the graph is a short explanation based on what the points mean. This is for anybody that's new to gene editing. One more thing that's extremely useful to Snip and Stitch is the status log. The status log is simply a log that shows every single action that was initiated by the user. For example, if I choose a different genetic disorder, such as Tay-Sachs disease, it will show me in the log that I selected the Tay-Sachs disease disorder. So basically, this log can allow people to remember what they were trying to do while also keeping it compact, and it doesn't really take up that much space on the user screen, which allows them to continue working on what they were working on. So this allows the users to never miss a step. So that's Snip and Stitch. From simulating CRISPR edits to visualizing DNA mutations, this app is everybody's gateway to understanding gene editing. Now, whether you're a researcher, a student, or just somebody curious about genetics, Snip and Stitch makes exploring CRISPR fun and accessible.